It's my life.
Hey guys, today I'll show you animals. Okay, show them animals. Study. What is that? Okay, about the other. About the other? What is that? Duck. Good job. Cat. Okay, ikaw sige. Oh, what else do you want to show them? Cattle. Goose. Good job. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Duck. Lahat. Dali. Oh, how about this? How about this? How about this? Good job. How about this? This one. Cat. How about this? Donkey. Good job. How about this? Cat. How about this? Good job. Okay. Oh, what color is this? This one. Good job. This one. This one. Good job. This one. Good job. How about this one? This one. This one. This one. This one. Good job. The end. Come on. Bye-bye. Thank you.
It's my life.